In this section, we'll be importing a large volume of photos into our catalog. Remember that the My Lightroom Photos folder on our desktop contains all the images we'll be using for this course. We'll be using this folder as the main source directory for our catalog. For the purpose of this lesson, each image has been renamed so we can easily identify them when we import them into Lightroom. As you'll see, this makes it easier to follow along with the tutorial and understand how Lightroom's organization features work. Normally, your camera will assign auto-generated numerical names to your images. The images will also be separated into folders by date. The images for our catalog will be sorted into individual virtual folders known as collections. The following structure will be used. We'll have about 4 collection sets: vacation pics, landscape shots, cars, and wedding. Inside each of these collection sets, we'll have our collections. So for example, vacation pics, we'll have the collections Miami, Los Angeles, New York, and Washington. Landscape shots will have spring, summer, winter, fall, and so on. Keep in mind that when we create our Lightroom collections, we're not actually modifying or creating any actual folders in our images directory. The collections and the collection sets we create are relevant only to Adobe Lightroom. Think of them as virtual folders inside our program.